Kamusta na?
Ayos naman.
Mukhang successfully pagiging part mo nung Paraiso.
pero
Being
medyo-
an attorney, di ba?
Medyo masakit siya sa puso ko kasi di ako sanay na parating nega, parating naka-taas kilay. Kaya, pero it's part of my job as an actor.
First time mo ba mag-kontrabida?
Sorry?
First time mo mag-kontrabida?
No naman, but it's been years. Saka, before, puro mga saucy-saucy lang. Hindi siya me, katulad ngayon.
Parang nagiging pamature ng pamature yung role mo sa...
Parang sinasabi naman na pamature na pamature ako.
Hindi, ibig sabihin parang ano ba yung gusto mong tahakin sa career mo? Character actress?
Ang
Or...
ibig sabihin ng actress is you're supposed to be able to play any role. And I really want to show that this is what I love to do, this is my craft. So, as an actress, kung ano itapon sa'yo, dapat 150 at 200 pa rin ang ibigay mo. So,
Tapos yung last teleserye mo, which is Pintada, hindi masyadong nakita kung gaano ka ka-sexy and something.
po?
I mean, yung pagiging mature mo doon, yung pagiging sexy, medyo nagpakita ka na ng skin doon, di ba?
Actually, kabaliktaran. The storyline was sensual, pero wala actually akong pinakitang skin doon. It was really an acting piece for me. At sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat na ng Pintada dahil highest rating, Precious Hearts Romanticism.
It's your choice ba yon na mature pero walang masyadong papakitang skin?
You know what? I'm just thankful that ABS always gives me something to do. So, parang kahit anong ibigay nila sa akin, I put my flavor into it. At yun na yun.
Pero kung sakali bang may magandang role na medyo mas daring yung dating, even the skin will show, will you go for that?
Depende. Di ako pwede actually, hindi pwede. Ayoko mag-full nudity. Ayoko magpakita ng... A suggestion is okay. Pero magpakita ng boobs at butt or...
I mean, two-piece, ganyan.
Okay lang.
It's okay. Pero, nauuso rin ngayon, Dennis, yung mga mami na nagpo-post sa sexy magazine. Will you go for that soon?
Not FHM. Not FHM.
What do you mean?
Not FHM.
Bakit?
Wala lang. Feeling ko, hindi ko kaya.
Pero hanggang saan yung kaya mo ipakita?
Depends on what I'm speaking about and what I'm supporting.
Ano yung next project mo after Paraiso? Or
Sunod-sunod kasi yung tatlong projects ko dahil sa pag-ibig, Pintada, at saka Paraiso, overlapping. So, second quarter na ako ulit.
you're part of dahil sa pag-ibig, right? Ano yung magiging character mo rin?
Tapos na siya. So,
tapos na.
Those were 3 shows na magkakasunod. So, ito pa na, second quarter na ulit ako mag-work after ng Paraiso. Kasi, I wanna rest.
Kamusta being a mommy?
Super fun. Sumasama siya sa akin sa set. Pag mga scene, location namin, kasama kami.
Tapos, mukhang nagiging lalong sexy ka at this time. Ano yung mga sikreto mo?